Yeah, it was an accident, man.
Yes, it just want to happen. Let it be in front of the church, huh, brother? Come on.
Hey, I'm gonna put your camera stuff over here, okay? Or do you want it next to you, or
Where's the barn at?
right here.
Okay, here's my stuff.
Give me a heads up when the ambulance is here.
Okay. I'll play in my car, man.
Justin. Justin, I'll be a witness.
Just back up, guys. Back up.
What's the ambulance here?
All right, everybody needs to get on the sidewalk. Off the street in the sidewalk. All right, everybody. All right, everybody can stay on the sidewalk for now, okay? Off the street.
Bye-bye,
Wow, man.
Did you call the police?
Yeah, they're on the way.
Sam 7, I need a couple minutes. Thank you so much. Let's keep rolling if we can. Let's keep rolling if we can. Back to your cars, please. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry. Thank you, guys. Let's keep on rolling. Let's keep on rolling.
Oh, you all right? How you feeling? Good? You want me to put it north of that tree right there.